Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the Flying Pigeon 1 toy drone. So let's see what's in the box. So out of the box, ang kailangan nating unang gawin is i-assemble yung ating landing feet. So madali lang to kasi meron siyang included na tools like yung screwdriver and of course yung maliliit na screws. So installing the camera is simple. So ang kailangan mo lang gawin is slide mo siya dun sa baba, meron siyang guide slide, and ikabit mo yung wire kung saan siya kakasya. So now you're done with that, meron siyang socket for micro SD card. So dito mo ilalagay yung card mo for recording your videos and photos. Alright, so for the battery, meron tong 200 mAh battery na tumatagal ng 5 minutes flight time. So medyo nakakabitin lang yung flight time niya. So I just wish na sana nagdagdag pa sila ng isang extra battery. Alright, so now we're done with that. Ang next naman natin ikakabit is yung ating props protector. So kailangan natin ito ikabit just in case mag-crash yung ating drone, hindi agad masisira yung ating propellers. And don't worry, meron ka namang kasamang included na 4 extra propellers. For the controller, meron tayo medyo mabigat na controller. And gumagamit siya na 4 AA batteries na mas magpapabigat dito. Also, the controller has a small screen display na merong LED backlight na nagsasabi ng battery indication and of course yung mga modes ng iyong drone. So, meron tong FPV mode and HD recording. So, for around 4,000 pesos, mabibili mo to at www.bigmk.ph. So for FPV mode, ang kailangan mong gawin is scan the QR code dun sa box. So available to for Android and iOS. Once scanning the QR code, i-download mo yung app and then install it on your phone and meron ka ng FPV version. So ngayon, i-mount mo na lang yung cellphone mo dun sa controller and meron ka ng FPV. For the controls, meron tayong auto takeoff and auto landing. And meron tayong record button for recording videos and taking pictures. Alright, so yung feature ng drone is meron siyang altitude hold for easy flying and meron siyang 6-axis gyroscope for balancing itself. So flying the drone is easy dahil meron siyang auto takeoff and auto landing. So once pinindot mo na yung auto takeoff, kusa nang aangat yung drone. And pag gusto mo na siya ipa-landing, click mo lang yung landing button and kusa na siyang bababa. So mas pinadali yung flying experience dito sa dalawang feature na to, itong auto takeoff and auto landing. So I just wish I had more time flying this drone outside. So dahil sa loob ko lang to pinalipad and upon testing it, meron din siyang HD recording. Wala naman sinabi in the box kung ilang megapixel to, pero I think it's just 2 megapixel. So mapapansin mo yung quality ng camera, it's not bad for a HD recording. 720p yung recording output ng video. So overall, the drone has a durable body and the finish is similar sa DJI Phantom look. So it's like a copycat of a DJI Phantom pero in a toy version. Again guys, available to at www.bigmk.ph. For more details about the product, check the link in the description box. Again, my name is Hans Andres and for more videos like this, subscribe ka lang. Thanks for watching.